Welcome to the part 2 of this tutorial. In this part, we're going to make a 3D model of an USB. Change the view to home view and extrude the object upwards by 4 units. Next, select the top face of the USB and change the view to top view. And then, use Rectangle tool, create a rectangle with 16 and 8 units. And then fillet the rectangle by 1 unit radius. And then move this rectangle by midpoint on the side all the way to the USB model. And then just drag it to the left by 2 units. Now, select the press pull tool and press pull the rectangle downwards by 0.2 unit. Next, select the tail face and we're going to create a helping line. Just create a line on this midpoint. Create it all the way down. Next, create a circle on that line's midpoint. Create it like 1.7 radius. Erase the helping line and we're going to extrude that circle. Press pull it like this. Sorry, extrude. You can extrude it up to 6 units because this circle will be the USB wire. Next, go to Solid menu, select Fillet Edges, enter 0.3 units as the radius, and you can use Edge Chain and just fillet the sharp edges of our USB. This may take some time and you might have to change the view cup for few times, but it's okay. We just need to be careful. And when we are done, press enter. So it will create something like this. And now we can continue to the part 3 of this tutorial.